Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of logging in. For this episode, I will be showing you how you can log in into the online banking account on Huntington Bank. Now for you to get logged in, you need to open the web browser and there you need to open the bank web page at first. So open any browser on your PC and on the search bar you type in huntington.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the bank. Once you're at the web page, you can see on the right side of your screen, there's a login option. Now here you click in username box and type in your username, and then on the password box, you type in your password. Once you provided both the details, you need to click on login. With this, you will be get logged in into your account on Huntington Bank. But just in case if you forgot your account credential, that is your username or password, you can click on this link provided below, that is forgot username, forgot password. Now here if you click on this link on forgot username, you will be directed to this page where you need to provide your email address and then click on send my username. With this you will get a further instruction for recovering your username from here. Bank will provide you all the required instruction. Similarly, for forgot password, you need to type in your username and the last 4 digits of your social security number and click on continue. And with this you will be able to recover or reset your password for the banking account. This is how you can easily log in and recover your account credential on the online banking account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.